It's an interesting question because I see it as the present and not the future of marketing. And I see the impact in really two ways. So one is simply, the technology which the consumers are adopting through adoption of a lot of what I would call media devices. So what's that enabling is really for the brands to be able to bring ideas to life with consumers on all these devices, whether it's smartphones, whether it's gaming consoles, all the new technology, tablets, in a far more interesting and immersive way. The brands are able to create that experience. So one is simply the power of this technology to set up that immersive brand experience with consumers and almost do like an always-on kind of conversation with consumers and brands. The other, of course, is as the consumers are adopting these kind of devices, is generating a massive trail of data. And in the morning in my session, we were talking about in a week, an average consumer who's using a whole lot of these media devices puts out almost 3,000 pieces of information about himself or herself out there. So now how does that help marketing? Is that suddenly you have access to enormous amounts of information and which enable you to develop insights about consumer behavior, what's working, what's not with them, what's hot, what's not. So it gives, in the traditional world, before all this was there, typically brands would do research, maybe post-campaign once a year and then try and get these insights. Now you can get them almost in real time because you can actually track all this data and get an understanding of what's really happening in response to all the communication which your brand is putting out there. So both of these are, and I don't really look at this as a future, it's happening here and now. It's up to marketers to be able to use it effectively. I think it's a long way off still because it requires a significant change in mindset. I think new talent which is coming into this industry would obviously live through this change as consumers themselves and therefore will find it easier. But it is quite a distance to go. I mean, it's an interesting opportunity because you have the ad agencies which create all the big ideas, and then you have the media agencies which track consumer behavior and capture all the data. And in theory, actually, if you get the two to work together, the level of impact which then is there on the consumers can be huge. I mean, the brands can really engage very well with consumers. It's something which has to happen. I mean, everyone realizes. In our own business, what we've been doing is, for instance, we've been setting up what we call loop rooms. Now, these are simply rooms with 8 screens there, where you're visualizing all the data. So you're looking at all the contextual data of what's happening out there. We're looking at all the paid media campaigns that are running for a brand and its competitors. We're looking at what the brand is doing in its own media, its website, and etc., and what the competitors are doing. And we're looking at the impact on the earned media, which is the consumer speak. And just by getting the brand marketer, the media agency, the creative agency, the relationship marketing agency, the PR agency, all of them together into the room and look at this information together is actually unveiling great insights. So it's the new way of working which we are all trying to promote. I guess it will take time for these silos to break down. Absolutely. I mean, the technology is really an enabler for the big ideas to be even more impactful and even more engaging because all these devices which we talk about today, which consumers are using in form of media, are two-way. You start the engagement and people respond, and if there's a fair sort of exchange of value, then the results are terrific. And I'll give you simple examples of this. For instance, to come up with a great idea, sometimes it's someone who's really in sync with consumers. It will come through intuition. It will come through experience. Sometimes just by distilling all the information which is out there, looking at what people are searching for instance, looking at what people are talking about in social media, itself can generate terrific insights about consumers, which can also be used to generate big ideas. And then of course the technology platform. So there is lots of technology out there which will facilitate, I think, making these big ideas even bigger and even more